Hi everyone, my name is Paul and I want to teach you how to program with Python. Python's a really great programming language that is easy to learn, very powerful, and very popular with a lot of companies today. Programming can actually be fun. You can build and design your own applications and share them online with your friends. All the software that you need is widely available and free to download. So Python is an open source, general purpose programming language that can run on both a Mac or a PC. It can be used to write games, business applications, web applications, and much, much more. In fact, many of the applications you use today, such as Pinterest, Instagram, or Dropbox, were all written with Python. So the sky's the limit as to where you want to go. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to get started and teach you the basics of programming with Python. In the next video, we're going to download two pieces of software. I'll have two videos, one for a Mac, one for a PC. And once you do a quick, easy install, you'll be up and running and writing your own code in no time. Till then,